Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made with crushed apples, yeast, and sugar. It is used as an ingredient in foods like salad dressings, pickles, and marinades. Most apple cider vinegars you find in the grocery store is the clear, pasteurized, and filtered type. But you can also buy a raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains a cloudy sediment. This is known as the mother. This substance is made up of settled bacteria and yeast. Some people give the mother credit for apple cider vinegar's health benefits, and it's thought to contain small amounts of probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that are good for gut health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is also thought to be at least partly responsible for any health benefits it has, but other types of vinegar contain acetic acid as well. Let's now go to the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Vinegar improves lipid profiles and suppresses fat accumulation. That is, it helps keep your heart healthy. High dietary cholesterol will induce significant increase in liver cholesterol and triglyceride, which can lead to health complications such as atherosclerosis and hypertension. Vinegar supplementation reduces the formation of triglycerides, that is, fatty lipids that increase the risk of heart stroke. Acetic acid present in vinegar also restricts cholesterol and fatty acid synthesis. It also enhances lipolysis, and it also boosts oxidation of fatty acids. A study reported that consistent ingestion of acetic acid may reduce fat pad weight without diminishing the skeletal muscle weight. Vinegar reduces hyperglycemia and improves insulin secretion. Vinegar may significantly increase insulin concentration in blood by enhancing its production in pancreas. Vinegar can also increase glucose uptake, hence attenuation of insulin resistance in diabetic subjects. Vinegar may interfere with carbohydrate digestion and amplifies glucose uptake. It also promotes glycogen repletion in liver and muscles. Consuming 1 tablespoon of vinegar at mealtime twice daily may reduce fasting blood glucose levels. But you should be cautious to not replace your medical treatment with vinegar or any other unproven health product. In hypertension, acetic acid in vinegar inhibits both angiotensin 1 and angiotensin 2 in the plasma. And these angiotensin are strong vasoconstrictors. And by inhibiting them, acetic acid provides a vasodilation effect. And thus it helps in regulating hypertension. It helps kill harmful bacteria. Since ancient Greece era, vinegar has been used generously as an antifungal and an antibacterial agent due to its extremely low pH, and this is because of the presence of acetic acid. Now, this acetic acid is a very good organic acid helpful in eradicating Escherichia coli, that is E. coli, which is a foodborne pathogenic bacteria. Vinegar can also act as a very good food preservative as it inhibits the growth of E. coli bacteria, which is responsible for spoiling food. Vinegar can also be used to reduce the fungal growth on your denture, which is responsible for causing denture stomatitis. So, soaking your denture overnight in a 10% solution of vinegar may be helpful. Vinegar may also aid in weight loss. Several human studies have shown that vinegar can increase feeling of fullness, and this leads to eating fewer calories and losing weight. Apple cider vinegar is also helpful for hair. Dryness of hair and scalp is a sign of increased alkalinity, and this mild acid can help balance it out. Thus, apple cider vinegar may help relieving itching and flaking of the scalp while stimulating the hair follicles for improved hair growth. Now, certain vinegars, apart from apple cider vinegar, have been shown to inhibit proliferation and induce apoptosis in human cancer cells. And these include vinegar derived from sugarcane or vinegar derived from rice and a Japanese black vinegar which is made from unpolished rice. Now let's go to the dosage and how should we use the apple cider vinegar. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in cooking. Some people also like to dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. So common dosages range from 5 to 15 ml per day mixed in a large glass of water. Let's now go to some side effects of apple cider vinegar. Excess consumption of apple cider vinegar may cause gastrointestinal issues. According to a study, it was found that the apple cider vinegar delayed the gastric emptying rate. Though this could be beneficial in some cases, it can cause digestive distress in some other individuals. Increased intake of apple cider vinegar may also worsen symptoms of gastroparesis, which is a common condition in people with type 1 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar may cause unpleasant digestive symptoms in some people. According to a study, the people who consumed a drink containing 25 grams of apple cider vinegar reported less appetite but also significantly greater feeling of nausea, especially when the vinegar was part of an unpleasant tasting drink. It can also cause erosion of tooth enamel. Acidic foods and beverages have been shown to damage the tooth enamel, and large amounts of vinegar may cause dental erosion. Besides giving a yellowish tinge to your teeth, the vinegar may also increase your dental sensitivity. Increased consumption of apple cider vinegar may cause throat burns. The acetic acid in the vinegar may be the primary cause. It may also cause hypokalemia. Excessive use of apple cider vinegar may lower the potassium levels in the body. It may also reduce bone mineral density, which in turn makes your bones brittle. Hence, individuals with osteoporosis may have to reduce or avoid the intake of apple cider vinegar entirely. The strong acidic nature of apple cider vinegar may cause skin burns. Applying apple cider vinegar directly to the skin can cause burns and irritation, especially if the vinegar is undiluted. It may also cause low blood sugar. Taking it along with diabetes medications may cause your blood sugar levels to drop way too low. And this, if not treated, may lead to unconsciousness and it may even lead to coma. So, do consult your doctor before you start taking apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also not advised for pregnant or lactating women as it may result in some complications. So, that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.